Take a ride in the 2009 Borrego. This vehicle is powered by a rear-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.8-liter engine, and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 140,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: hill descent control, roof rails, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, double wishbones, front suspension type, strut, braking assist. Inside you'll find cruise control, child safety locks, power door locks, power windows, tachometer, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation, power steering, one-touch windows, one overhead console.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.